This is a real bald eagle. Can you believe that? A real eagle.
Those are real, baby.
These are owls. I'll get as close as I can to the owls. See? These are owls. Owls. They're asleep right now, except for that one. Looks like Harry Potter's owl. And this, I can't tell because it has its head turned away. But since it has that little helmet thing on, I'm pretty sure it's a killer bird. I don't want it to kill me. It's a killer bird. Can you believe it? Killer bird. Squawk. Excuse me.
Yeah. We're used to people being around.
Sorry. Okay. Let's see the beak, sort of. But this is a falcon. Isn't it cute? It's so small. And that, I don't know. But the thing next to it is a hawk. Can you believe that? This bird's from Machu Picchu. It's a falcon too. Falcon.
Look at that one eating. See him eating back there?
Ew, that one's eating me. It's a killer. This is a something.
Is that real? Yeah.
But this is a bird. They're all birds. They're all real birds. Oh, here's one really close up. Okay, this one looks like a bird. This is Harry Potter's bird. But this is a owl. I'd poke it, but okay, it's an eagle owl. Isn't it huge, guys? Well, look at that one eating. It's just gross.
No, that one's real.
They're all real.
That one's Arctic.
It does.
And that one is a tiny little falcon. It looks more like a... Daddy, doesn't that look more like Tweety than a falcon?
And you have for the eagle
Yeah,
or video.
I have a video of it, but I'm going to take a photo next. Isn't that tiny? It's a tiny little bird. That one's eating meat. That one's asleep or something. Look at all those birds. All these birds are real birds. Well, I'm going back to the bald eagle. Isn't it grand?